I'm Cooper from Lynden Sports Center, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use a Minn Kota Ulterra. First thing that seems kind of obvious, but make sure you're plugging it in and turning it on. Next thing you want to do is hold that check mark and turn on the remote. Then when you're ready to deploy the trolling motor, just double click this top right button. When you want to turn left and right, it's these two buttons right here. Then when you're ready to start moving, just hold down this button right here. Okay, so this button here is you can link it to a hummingbird unit and mark a waypoint and it'll go to it. This one here is your cruise control. This is the one I use most often, which is a spot lock. This one is if you want to go fast, and this one is head hold. And that's pretty much all of it for the remote. And then when you're ready to bring it back up,